For the record, I am short these two names now. Oh man. Okay, what else did I do? Cut Xena off screen. Yeah. I cut all my crypto names except for Bitcoin and Ethereum. I guess I could have kept similar, but whatever. I might cut these. Maybe on lows. Anyway, largest position, Ion Q short. Uh, do I want to add more to this? I only have 10% of my account short this from like 22. No, I don't want to add more. I did get locates, yeah. Um, it took like a few minutes. It took like a minute to fill though, so I didn't have them right away. But it was like usually uh, okay, like this this is why I'm actually a scrub when it comes to shorting. Like I don't actually know how to do locates on TWS, like prepare them. So I just try to sell it, and then it'll basically tell you if there's shortable shares, right? You can also like add a column to your TWS. And if it doesn't fill right away, or like within a minute, I usually cancel it, obviously, because then price has probably moved too much. Either that, or I use a limit order. Anyway, but yeah, there were locates yesterday. Actually, there were a lot of locates yesterday. Today, there's less so, because I did day trade this piece of shit yesterday too. Um, and then I ended up making money on the long side on Qubit Quantum Computing Inc. Right, this one, QUBT. Because I shorted it like here, actually, and then I made some money, and then I lost the money, and then I tried shorting it again, and then it wouldn't die, right? So I longed it like here, made a little bit of money, but very negligible. Yeah, this is a pretty crazy move. This thing tripled within 3 days on this setup. This goes to show that like sometimes the last leg is actually the no, I mean most often not. The last leg's also the strongest. But yeah, shortest crowd. I mean, yeah, short. I guess you could argue the short is crowded today, but I do think today is the day for the short, especially if it starts losing these so it's lost VWAP already, right? Overshoot pre-market highs. The problem is today there's also FOMC, so I'm not trying to go big sides on this. I just need to make some money on this for coping for passing it on the big move. I also tried Arcit Quantum yesterday. This one just shook me out here. It halted down here, dude, and I ended up selling like I think I sold in one of these on this candle or something. I don't remember, but it was just like a small loss. And then what else did I try? Oh, I should have tried to short quant. Oh, I should. It's probably not too late to short this. But we need a bounce. Maybe short this at 950s. I don't know. Rigetti, yeah, these are maybe topping out. Anyway, great stuff. I bought it like in the twos. Should have just, honestly, should have just held it. It doesn't matter. And I do have a window for this and open separately. I cut UMAC yesterday too, but I rebought it today. Just small size. I don't know. I'm short this today. I didn't catch this last move. I bought this at $3. I sold most of it in the eights. I rebought it in the sixes. I sold most of it in the sevens, eights. And then I didn't buy it here because I was retarded. Because I thought this would be the late stage failed breakout, but overall in quantum, I traded this from three to like eights. I traded QBTS from twos to like I think I sold in the fives. I sold it this day or this day. I traded Rigetti from like one to I sold my Rigetti I think on like this day, right? Sevens because I bought it here, I sold it here, and then I rebought it here, and I just held it to like here-ish, I think, and then I didn't rebuy it here. Uh, QMCO I didn't really trade this that well. I bought it here, sold it here, bought it here, sold it same day. This one isn't that good. You guys want this watch list? Sure. Just, I don't always update these, but here, you guys can have them if you want. Generally speaking, I keep it updated, but like if you're, I'm just saying, don't like treat this as some kind of source of truth. But you're welcome to have them. Yes, I don't mind. Sure. I wouldn't really. So I don't really use the 5 daily, but you can if you want. I'm more like what I should have done on this. Well, see if because I was like I should see the real thing is you should have rebought it here. I just didn't think this was a good setup because like for me this hourly is a pretty hard sell signal closing below the 20 hourly for something like this. If you save your No, it shouldn't be. If you save it as your own watch list, I think it copies it over. You have to like check it. But like guys, like you don't need to be checking my watch list to I just if you want to, they're there. But I don't think it's you don't want to be getting the habit of relying on my watch lists, my positions or anything. Okay, this is definitely the top for these, I think. No, okay. This is likely the top for these. I gotta not say definitely. Yeah, I shorted Rigetti on one of these days too. I think it had to be in yeah this day, and then I just covered like sometime anyway. Yeah, it's fine though. Um, anyway, let's see. I have the minute chart up on the other screen. I should just switch to the 10. See, it's finding support on the 10 minute. What's IonQ doing? This is dying quite nicely at least. I got some good size on this at 40 high 42s. Pretty nice. Everything else is long. Yes, everything else is long. But should I sell some serve? I barely have any size. Nah, let's hold this. I think this might set up again. The other thing is I didn't hold Soundhound long enough, obviously. This is kind of a big mistake. I sold the rest here. A lot of mistakes, but it doesn't matter. Still made money. Okay, I think that because okay, it's fine. It's fine. I'm not gonna chase these shorts right now. Yeah, cooler is pretty nice. Unfortunately, oh, you know what? No, I did add yesterday. I added yesterday. Yeah. I added yesterday when it like around here. So I added like 50% more. This is nice. Okay, I should take some. Should I take some off or should I just? Yeah, I have Joby and Archer again. It's nice. Rebought Lunar. I bought some end of yesterday. I mean end of Monday, and I bought a little more yesterday on the break of this 13 level. But if you remember on stream on Monday, I was talking about this. Do you guys remember? See how this is a bear flag, right? It's like a bouncy ball. It makes lower highs, and it keeps retesting the same level, and then failed breakdown, right? Undercut and rally, and then yeah, undercut rally. Very very textbook stuff. Undercut rally. Same thing happens on the flip side, right? Failed breakout. Nice. Qubit is. Come on, fucking die, dude. What's my AV? I already sold some of this. I think I had to be a little patient with this one. I sold almost half. I sold like 40%. Yeah, this was very obvious. Oh shit, really, dude? Hopefully someone caught this. I actually tried a short on when it broke lows this morning, and there were no shares, so I just cut it. So obviously I just canceled my order. Thank God. Okay, it's probably a no touch for me. Let's add this to aerospace defense. What is it? Micro cap. It's small cap. Yeah. UMAC, is this small cap yet? No, it's still micro cap. RCAT is small cap. Cooler is small cap. Yeah, this got news on just regaining compliance. Xena, piece of shit. Yeah, Sid is space. This is like a lot of crazy things happening. I honestly can't believe this did what it did. This gave some great setups, right? You could buy on highs, flag at highs, flag a minute flag here, right? Flag here, 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 and then I don't know, man. This is just crazy ass shit. Did Momentous make a move? Yeah, not really. Oh yeah, did anyone see news for this? What's the news for this? No one? Nothing? Lit Snow Lake Resources. No one has anything? No news? I don't see any news. Oh shit. This do I have to watch this again? I guess I do. So annoying. This is a virtual reality name. If you guys remember VRAR, this is tradable. I traded this. Oh god, what is this ugly ass thing? When did I trade this? I think I traded it here. Yeah, I traded it here back when I had a smaller account. Oh, this is decent. I traded it. I bought it here, I think. And I also tried it. I don't remember if I bought it there. Dog shit stock though. Their website doesn't work, but is this a satellite company? Spacecraft components. Oh, very nice. This microcap. Does this do anything? No. Man, this shit was crazy too. Oh, now it's just textbook breaking down. Man, this would have been another good trade. There's just like so many good trades. It's just crazy. Can I take a look at Fresh? Fresh Pet? Is that what Fresh is? Fresh Pet? Yeah. Fresh works. Yeah, I don't really see anything. Yeah, I don't like it. It doesn't really trend, right? Why bother? There's some names that don't trend that I still have on watch here, but it's 'cause like they might be important names, I guess. What was I looking at? I got an alert for. Okay, let's just put alert for. Oh shit. I'm still not that interested in this name, but I'm not gonna promote it yet. Doximity. Let's give it to. When you look at gainers, analyze for themes. Do you have a dollar volume? Yes, I do. I mean, you should always be looking at liquidity. I talked about this a lot, guys. I talked about this a lot. Obviously, dollar volume is very important. Most of y'all look at, I get like if you're if my cutoff is only $5 million volume, but that's because I want to see what's going on. If something like that isn't in my scans gets 5 million within the first like few minutes, right? I want to see it because then it might trade actually like $20 million volume, 30 million. But at this point, $20 million volume a day is low for me. So, and even when I had a small account, guys, I never really traded anything below $10 million volume a day. So you guys really shouldn't either. That's just my take. Do what you want though. The thing is, institutions also sometimes will accumulate thinner names. They will. They're just do it over longer periods of time. Is it trying to find support? God, fuck you. Yeah, exactly. Quantum names were thin until they weren't. So that's why I bought. So like, when did I start paying attention to Qubit, right? I didn't pay attention here because it was like $2, $3 million. I bought it here. I mean, I didn't buy it here. I bought it here. But on this day, when I got the news, I started paying attention because this day it traded $271 million volume. You should absolutely be paying attention to dollar volume. I can't stress this enough. I talked about it a lot. Dude, like you can even if you have a small account, you can pretty much ignore all the thin as fuck names. They're not going to give you as much. They're not going to give you as much as good returns as some of these like liquid shitcoins. Like this is like like now it's trading like billions of dollars a day. Even Ion Q, right? Like the first time I traded this, it wasn't that liquid. I traded this. First time I traded it was here. Actually, it was pretty. It was like so. Okay, yeah. So this was like 10 to $20 million volume. I bought it here, right? And then it wasn't as liquid, but I had a smaller account then. My thoughts on PL. You should be watching PL. It's a space name, yes. It has a decent weekly. It's not the best weekly. it's also pretty thin, so I'm probably not going to trade it. Although I did trade it here. I bought it small size, and then I think I just cut it on this day or this day. But yeah, the volume was not sustained until now, and then now it's not even that sustained, right? It got like some decent volume here. But yeah, you should obviously be watching this name. I don't think I'm gonna trade it. It's just too thin. Or maybe I will trade it. Maybe I'll trade the small size. Say like it's getting $25 million volume on average, right? It's on the thinner side, but I don't know. What was the news here? You assume I am pushing margin. How much margin? Well, I'm short names now. I don't go over 200% margin, generally speaking. Pushing margin. Pushing margin. Margin is a great tool, guys. I mean, come on. You guys got like any interesting questions? Or like, I mean, this is like, obviously, I'm telling all the best traders are going to be using margin. And you should be using it too unless you have a cash account, I guess. Why would you limit yourself, right? I don't know. I don't know what. Oh, I cut Tesla yesterday. I was thinking about rebuying it. I think it'll offer another entry. I know I said that this, it's probably a mistake cutting this, but I do think Tesla still goes parabolic before the end, but I'm hoping to buy it at the 10-day again. Let's add an alert. See, another 50% move I missed out on for no reason. Oh, damn. This is actually moving now. This was hard to buy, though. It also wasn't very liquid. Caxos. It's a little thin, but it's fine. How would I be trading if I had a 20K account? I don't know, it's a good question. I never ever had a 20K account. You know, if I had a 20K account, I would probably get a good job and make a couple $100,000 first and save up $100,000. That's what I would do. It's not very helpful for you, I know, but yeah, I guess more concentrated position sizes. Oh shit. I only have what 4.8% of my account in this. Whatever. Still a decent size. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. I'm gonna start covering a little bit, I think. The thing about size though is I still size aggressively when it's warranted. You just gotta wait for your the right time. But yeah, especially if you're in the United States and you have under 20K, you should honestly just save up a little bit more money. At least get the 50K, so you can have some leverage around the pattern day trader rule, right? And so you can get access to margin. No, I've been in Joby for a few days. When did I rebuy Joby? I think I rebought it here. I either rebought it here or here, one of these 2 days. No, I bought it Monday. I rebought it Monday. Definitely Monday. Or did I rebuy it Friday? I either bought it Friday or Monday. I think I bought it Friday because I just bought it with Archer, right? Or I might I don't remember, but what's my new average is 820. So I think I rebought it on yeah, Friday. Monday. I rebought it like here. But I tried this so many times, dude. I bought it. I remember I bought it here. And then I remember people were asking me why I was trying this piece of shit stock. I was like, okay, so because it got an offering, it's because it does things like this. And then I rebought it, I think, this day and this day, right? These 2 days. VRAR really still going. Thoughts on GME? Why do people still like this? I know I looked at this. I have an alert for this horizontal line. I wouldn't really worry about it until it crosses that line. But I guess it could go. I'm not really excited about it. I feel like, yeah, I don't know. Oh, right, I cut my AOI yesterday too. That's what I did. Just need some more time. How do I journal your trades? I don't. Man, you guys got to get some better questions, man. Boring question. These are all questions that are better answered by other people. Journaling trades. I guarantee you should journal trades if it's useful for you. I don't do it anymore because it's not useful. Use whatever software you want. It doesn't matter. Just any amount of journaling is not going to make you magically profitable. How's sex life? Top kink. Top king. What's an actual short squeezes? I'm short IonQ and Qubit. I'm already short these two names. I just covered a little bit. I'm short Qubit from 22s, and I'm short IonQ from 43, yeah, or high 42s. Yeah, I'm no longer in Zena, as you can tell. It's down, yeah. I think RCAT is potentially more interesting than Xena. It just needs some time. This needs like maybe 2 more weeks, right? 2 more weeks. Set up a obvious range. Because this one actually has some, it's liquid and I don't know, it's got some real. This is not as liquid, right? Like, I don't know. Yeah, DXYZ is setting up, I guess. I'm not too interested in it. I'll probably, if it sets up, I'll probably buy small size, but like th this candle has got me shook. I'm not gonna do any size on this, right? Look at this shit. Oh, Xena got more PR? But yeah, I sold it yesterday, yeah. Oh yeah, the yesterday had I remember it's had something, yeah. Wait, what the fuck? Right, this was anyway, I don't know if this is this wildfire tracking stuff is as good. Military stuff seems to be better, no? Because Donald Trump is gonna fucking probably go to war again. Dude, I'm not gonna. I'll just say one thing. These fucking like Trump tards who think that like Trump is gonna end wars, they are fucking retarded beyond measure. Like if you guys honestly believe that, like you fell for this shit again. Donald Trump is gonna suck the dick of the military-industrial complex so hard it's gonna make Biden look like a pacifist. Yeah, I know. Trump ending wars is fucking like are these people actually that fucking stupid? And the answer is yes, they are. If you actually think Trump is any different, you're fucking retarded as fuck. And you should unalive never mind. Can't say that on Twitch. Like private prisons and drones have been pumping because of Trump, and you think that Trump is going to end wars? Like you're fucking like are you kidding me? Dipshit. Learn to fucking read, right? Like these I don't know. Learn to think a little bit. I don't know. I don't even know what to say. No, I understand. People are stupid beyond measure, but like it's just frustrating. Oh, HS, did something happen here? Oh my God. Yeah, man. The one name I am kind of interested in is maybe KC. This is insanely strong, but maybe the move is likely over for now. Soundhound, really, dude? Unbearable cope. It's tripled, right? I bought it here. I think I bought it under 8, that's for sure. I bought it under 8. Let's just go 20. You bought it today? Good luck. I mean, just know what you're getting into at this hour. Did this get more news today? It didn't, right? No, you bought in the fives? I'm pretty sure I tried it in the fives too. I bought it, I don't think I tried it. No, I'm pretty sure I tried it here, right? I must have tried it here. I don't remember if I tried it here. But I definitely bought it here. And then I held it to like, I think I sold the rest in the 15s. So, not feeling too bad, but nevertheless. But that's how it goes. It's just how it fucking goes. At least I caught some of the move, I guess. Never gonna min-max everything. It's not a video game. It's not an RPG or something. Gorilla did have a PR today? Okay, that makes sense. Really? Is this really gonna do the same thing it did on this day? So it held the 10-minute 20. At least I covered a little bit, right? Uh, Oh, like I have a my non-trader friend asked me about quantum computing names yesterday, so you know, it's a good sign, right? Okta? Okta's doing something? Oklo, I mean. Oh, Oklo has a PR. I didn't even see it. Nice. What is Switch? Clean. Yeah, the PR is getting sold. Not a good sign, right? So nice though. Good to see. Yeah. Yeah. Oklo is acting like ASPI is, right? ASTS is, but actually, like around like here and here, these PRs getting sold, right? This here, 24, right? There's another PR. This PR got sold, right? Maybe I think eventually this could be good, but it clearly needs more time. Dude, why? Come on, man. Don't hurt me like this. NNE? Really, dude? Are you sure? Oh yeah, maybe. I don't know if I'm into this though. It's just yeah, I don't know, man. I don't. I got an alert. I'm not gonna buy it, dude. These nuclear names are just looking toast, dude. This is not nuclear, but what is this again? This is the Delaware. What's looking good are like what was I looking at again? Right, like nuclear names. Okay. Why do I even have this still saved? Pure cycle, recycling. Is this in clean energy for me? Let's put in clean energy and let's destroy it. Okay. No, 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 no. Oh, you guys see that? Okay. If I press, okay, I guess you can't press space. You have to mid cap, small cap. Rest in peace. I'm glad this name is finally dying. I don't want to trade it. Let's take this out too. Oh yeah, AHR. I remember I was. Oh, come on. I don't know if I'd call this a weekly flag. I tried this on this day though. I did buy it. I just sold it because it didn't look so good. Oh wait. Yeah. So like, I don't know what you're saying, bro. But you're saying this is a flag to you? This is what you call a flag? What's a flag about this? Do you, are we talking about the same thing? Like, what the fuck? Huge weekly flag? I don't know what you're looking at, man. It's like you could say it's basing all right here, and you could trade it off 14s, but I don't know in what world that's you call that a flag. Oh man, this better not fucking squeeze me. There are some things that I like though. What was I was gonna talk about? I would wait for AHR. I mean, a flag has to have a flag, has to have a pole, right? So it's not a flag, dude. It's like objectively speaking, it's just not a flag. It's just, you don't, honestly, you don't have to buy this until 19 probably. But if it's gonna go, what it's gonna do is it's gonna rally up to 19 and then like probably flag out here. But you definitely want it to clear weekly highs at least, and then maybe you think about it. But like last few PRs have gotten sold, right? Earnings, or this was the preliminary, yeah, and then okay. But it's giving you like so if it makes like this W shape, right? So you just ignore everything before. This is like a big run up, and then it's already gone through distribution. This is the new base, okay? That's how you should look at it. This is the new base from beginning of this year. Left side of base now needs the right side of the base up to 19. The problem is what it can do is it can go up to 19 then come back down here. In fact, it will probably do that, right? Like look at Tesla, right? Like arguably, actually this is different. This is a bigger base. But like these kind of levels get tested, retested all the time. I wouldn't rush into it. It is all I'm saying. Uh, the fuck? I think it's definitely worth stalking. I don't dislike it because it's a name that that can definitely run, right? Oh man, I might punt some of these back to I need to punt some of these back to 3. Shop and SC. I don't see these being explosive. Actually, I'll keep these on here. Let's punt this. Jesus Christ, dude. What the fuck is this name is so schizo. Anyway, there's some new things popping up, right? Like this name, I don't know if it's gonna offer a trade. BlackBerry, I don't know. This is actually looking pretty good, even though I hate this stock. Oh, am I supposed to? Did this do anything? Why is this? Why is Nvidia? Okay. So this is what it is. No, I should probably sell some cooler. Just give me a sec. You're right though. Oh, 61%. Holy shit. Yeah, I'm gonna start selling some. Let's sell. Yeah, just a little bit. Let's sell a quarter. Yeah. Oh, today had a regain compliance. Okay. Yesterday, cooler one space battery. Let's add this. I don't think it really reacted to this, but let's check it out. Let's add this here. Man, I just really need I need this fucking. Okay, as long as a qubit stays under 22, I might have to cover though. I know a lot of you guys are short too, probably. Man. Okay, if Carvana breaks lows, I bought it on this day. 248.04. I usually sell in market orders for liquid stuff, right? I mean, if it's liquid, it doesn't matter. No, but I don't sell I do piecemeal. Should we just cut the rest of our cryptos? No, let's give it some time. But I will use limit orders sometimes, yeah. Okay, should I sell some more? I sell a little bit more. Oh yeah, I sold CRDO yesterday too. This name has been a little frustrating. Is it gonna BVAI? Is it gonna? I don't know. I'm just hoping it doesn't break any of the. I'm just hoping it doesn't break this level. I know Hindenburg is short this, and Hindenburg is short Qubit. Hindenburg seems like they've been short Qubit since like here. Fucking losers. Learn how to fucking trade, dude. Yeah, Palantir is not bad. Just it's setting up again. I'm just trying to hold my long, I guess. I think I think I might have sold it one of these days and I just rebought it. I don't remember when, but yeah, I bought it here, right? Did not buy it here. Did not buy it here like I should have. I bought it here though. I bought it here. I bought it here. I bought it here. I'm pretty sure I bought it here and I sold it like here. Oh, so annoying. Oh, this is the Palantir chart got moved to Nasdaq. That's right. That's why it's all fucky now. Also, very, very, very annoying. I just I'm not gonna bother marking in all the news again, but that's good enough. Dude, is this qubit gonna move? It's actually gonna set up again, is it? Gonna do one more day? Rape all the shorts? Come on, man. Don't do this to me. What the fuck? Oh, okay. Damn. Still. I wonder if they can actually find buyers here. Is it gonna do this a third time? Undercut. Oh man, this is really punishing me, huh? Back to like my entry. I'll give it till highs. I'll take a loss on it if needed. Damn. I'm getting a little nervous about this. I'm gonna reduce actually. I'm gonna reduce some. That is correct. I might start cut. I only have a little bit left. I'm just gonna hold it till highs. Yeah, I already covered about half. I covered a quarter at lows, around lows. And I just covered another quarter for break even. I'm slightly down on, no, I'm up overall in the day. I'm slightly down on my remaining position because I have 22, but, or no, it's at my entry. IonQ is still below my entry at least. Octa, dude. I don't know what the Octa chart looks like, but I'll probably hate it. Maybe eventually it can. Maybe eventually it'll be good, but I fail to see when this has ever trended, right? It doesn't trend well on the daily. Maybe you can just add an alert here and don't worry about it. What's Asana doing? Oh, this might actually offer a decent. Nah, let's wait for the 10-day. SMTC, I tried. I longed it here, and I stopped out either. I just cut it either here or here. But yeah, watch it. It's not bad. We're seeing some right, like Nasdaq has been stronger than SPY. I talked about this a few times, right? You guys know. And of course, semiconductors have maybe put in their higher low. So yeah, maybe we see some Nasdaq names start to go again. I mean, that is what we have been seeing. Nasdaq and ARK beating SPY. Everything else getting dragged down by shitty biotech and shitty banks. Software's been strong, right? A lot of things in Nasdaq have been strong. And obviously Nvidia got the bids today. Yeah, I don't know. Can I drop this one yet? Bump it to 2. Is this dying? Yeah, I don't really want to pay attention to this either. Anyway, that's why I kind of actually like D-Dog now, right? Because oh shit. Because if there's if there's a Nasdaq rally, oh, RSB. Yeah, I mean this is just following like IWM, right? Which is following KRE and XBI. Same with like IWO, IWC to a lesser degree. This one has what's QQQE doing? Oh, come on, man. Okay. Oh, damn. This is really squeezing, huh? Holy shit. Guess should have bought it here. I might just cut this. I only have a starter anyway. I'll give it to, maybe I'll give it to 93. Got 2 more hours until Fed rate decision. Oh, I haven't actually checked Kalshi. What's the consensus? 25? Yep. You're in ARM, you held it just through all this. It needs more time. But yeah, I like the idea of some of these names making comebacks, I guess. But not Aklo, no. Oh man, do I need to? I don't know if I want to rebuy this. Is there is there any is there any catalyst coming for Tesla? Semi's daily looks ready. I don't know if the daily looks ready. I think it all just needs more time. We want to see this like grind up, right? And then we want to see it grind up. EV subsidy rollbacks. Oh man. Okay. All right, guys. I'm gonna cut the stream. Ooh, good luck.